I'll be teaching you about Amazon KDP in a series of videos for the next couple of weeks. I'll be uploading those videos, and now I would like to give you a brief about Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is derived from the same Amazon.com website. It's like the publishing part of Amazon.com. So you have Amazon books, Amazon shopping. You can shop some for items. You can see Amazon Music here, Kindle e-readers and books, Amazon App Store, electronics, computer, and all. So Amazon is like a big company, just like Google. They're a very big company, and they're into so many items. But what I'm going to be teaching you now is KDP, which is the publishing aspect, where you can write books and publish them on Amazon to make money. As you can see, if I scroll down, you see a lot of items here, and here you can see that we have books in this aspect. So if I want to search anything, this is the search bar. This is where you search anything on Amazon. If I want to search anything, I'll just come here and select the category that I want. You can see there are a lot of categories here, but we are focusing majorly on books. So if I click on books now, the home page is going to change, and you're going to see options. Your search options will be bringing out books. So I would like to start with searching for some books that are related to what we are familiar with already. And this whole tutorial is going to be focusing majorly on cookbooks. Cookbooks are books that people read. They are like recipe books. They read them to make meals. So that's one aspect that is selling very much on Amazon. And I'll just search cookbooks here. Okay, just by searching it now, I can see a lot of options: cookbook, food and wine. Okay, this particular I have a particular software or plugin that expands my search. And just looking at it here now, you can see a lot of cookbook options here. So you can see cancer diet cookbook, you can see breast cancer diet cookbook, you can see plant-based diet cookbook, you can see, so a lot of all these cookbooks they sell on Amazon. Diabetic cookbooks, Mediterranean diet cookbook for beginner, air fryer cookbooks, anti-inflammatory cookbooks. So you have a lot of them here, but maybe you should just pick one and work with it. And from what we have here, all these options, they are very good ones, but I can just pick Renal Diet Cookbook. So Renal Diet Cookbook here is showing us 1 to 48 of 909 results. 1 to 48 of 909 results. So meaning that there's this rule of thumb that I also use. When you search for, you put the search string here and you check the result. If it's less than 1000, then your book has a good chance of making sales. Like you can write on the book. So you can see here now, you can see 45 day smart meal plan for Renal Diet Cookbook for beginners. So we have a lot of cookbooks here, and you can see these are reviews. this 5 star you are seeing here, expanding it now, because I told you I have a lot of plugins that give me further information, and maybe in the next video I will show you how to add those softwares to your Chrome. So 4.9 out of 5. So we are not really concerned about the rating anyway, but we're also concerned about this number of reviews. It shows that people are buying, and of course the rating also speaks well. Well, almost every book on Amazon, every book topic will have their bestseller books in the range of 4.8. This should be around 4.8. This is 4.9 out of 5. So meaning that people they are interested in those books and they are buying them. So so this is just to familiarize you with what Amazon is about, and we've selected the topic. Now we are going to be working with this topic for a longer part of this video tutorial. So there are so many other topics that you can work on, and I'll also show you how to know the kind of topics to write on, how to select from the best topics that you can write on, because Amazon is particular about making money on Amazon. You have to be able to write on the right topics. You don't just decide to write on any topic anyhow. If not, you may not have you may not be making sales as you should. So let's do something here now. This is showing deliver to Nigeria. As you can see, it's showing books that from experience Nigerians will be interested. Nigerians will be this particular website is showing as Nigerians, but our major target audience is US market. So we are going to change our deliver to here. You change our location to the US. So what I usually do is I type in the postal code of New York, which is 10001. By the time I apply, it's going to tell me we use your selected location to show all products available for United States. Then I'll click continue. So you can see here now it's showing me New York, deliver to New York, and you can see almost everything has changed. 920 results, and you can see you can see that it's almost the same books, but there will just be some slight differences that will also help you. So after doing that, I'll go to this option here. I'm trying to look for an option on. Okay, let me go back. So let me go back to the Amazon homepage itself. I think I've explained about how what those ratings mean, what this search bar means. But now I'm going to the home page itself so that I can see all the options. But you can see that this deliver to New York is still present here. So now you can see here now we have new releases. This was what I was looking for in this particular place. You can see it's also here as well. We have bestsellers, new releases. So you can choose to go to either bestsellers or new releases for to get the latest topics that people are buying books from. And this is very important when you are going to be publishing on Amazon. So I will go to new releases first. So after going to new releases, you can see we have all the other options here, departments and everything. So I'll just go to books directly from here. So you can see Amazon Alt new releases, our best-selling new and future releases. So this is just the ranking of the best-selling books on Amazon. So you can see a lot of books here. You can see a lot of book titles and all here. So this is a funny topic here, and it's making a lot of sense. Why women deserve less. So just as I told you earlier, our major focus is school books. But if you can write fiction books, if you can write story books, it's just the same method. Everything we are going to be teaching here will also work for storybooks and all other options. So you can see here now that these are the rank of the best-selling books that are in new releases, and new releases are books that are just being released 3 months ago, within the space of 3 months. So this will give us information, the accurate information about trending topics on Amazon. So now we'll just quickly go to cookbook, food and wine here. So by the time we get here, we'll now see the best selling books under cookbooks. As you can see, we are looking into, as I told you earlier, our major focus is